Team's now turning right, and they'll be changing formation to what's known as the leader's benefit, and they'll be flying past the crowd in this formation.
And then the CEL home video cassette will be on sale about a fortnight later. Now what's happening is that this is the broadcast, the record of what we've been doing here today and tomorrow and yesterday. From 36 Squadron, the Primary Squadron, to Congress with the Commentary. Welcome, Greg. That's better. 36 in lane.
Operates the aircraft in the tactical aircraft role. And
is it a worry taking loads out that may or may not jam?
We haven't historically had that much of a problem with it, but if you look out to your right, and I didn't see a balloon came out there, did we? Yes, we did. That was a compact drop, which is just a light straw with a small parachute. And we can drop anything from a few pounds of water to somebody...
Pass towards the crowd. Yes. Got a light speed body going. What's his name again? Pete Bartlett. Pete Bartlett. Sneaking in underneath there, very tricky. Here they come. You watch this performance, ladies and gentlemen. It's just interesting to see the aeroplanes, big aeroplanes.